Okay. Hello everyone. My name is Jason. I'm in the manufacturing industry IT engineer, system developer, and data engineers. So today I want in this topic video I want to guide you how to use Apache NIFI. So after this series video, I hope you can master this skill from 0 to 1. And we have this 4 topic agenda. The first is how to download Apache NIFI, and the second, and I will guide you how to use NSSMN to register NIFI as Windows servers. And then in the next step, and I will introduce some common NIFI processor. After we familiar with this processor, and I will talk some about my project experiences, and I hope you can use NIFI to synchronize data from resource DB file document to document server or files. So I hope you can design a good solution. Okay, let's start. And I also write this document, so you can enter the GitHub to visit my GitHub page. And this is my GitHub page. So why is MD? MD means manufacturing industry blogger. So I will say NIFI, how to download the NIFI. Yeah. So, and in this document, you can say we can. This document will guide you how to download and run the Apache NIFI 2.03 version. So we can open the NIFI official website, and when click download. If you like the older version, you can download the last older version 1.8.2a, and you also can download the latest new version, so 2.6. But because in the latest one it also has some bugs needed to deal with, so we can choose the NIFI archive website to download the older one. So I will download the 2.3. If you want to use the mini NIFI, so you can download the mini NIFI. And if you want to use the full processor and the full function, so you can download the NIFI 2.3 bin, and I download it. So after you download, you need to extract this file to your folder. So you need to rename this folder and click the next. So we will wait. So we will find it in this path. You will see there are so many folders in there. So I will introduce this folder. Bin is some exe and some execute file folder, configuration, and documents, and some, if you do some processor and do some data flow, you need to some extensions. and this is library, and this is Python. So but when you download it, you also need to Java version. Why you need to this Java version? You can go to the GitHub to do it. Maybe in there you also can see some requirement, and yeah, you will see this. You need to Java framework, and we will say the Apache NIFI. So we'll say some basic requirement component. So it needed to Java 21 platform and Python 3 if you use this one, and Java 17, it's okay. So we will open the Java archive website and choose which version we need. 21, because I use the Windows as this platform, so I will download the Windows 64. So I also download it. Programming and this Java. I have two versions. So if you have a multiple version, so you can set this environment path Java, and then we will change some configuration NIFI properties. We will go there, bin, no bin configuration. Before we change it, we need to copy and keep the orange one. So we will do it NIFI property, and I think this one. Since this configuration archive time 30 days is so long, so I will change it as 15 days. It depends on your situation, so you can customer configure it. So if you want to use the HTTP, so you need to command the HTTPS. If you want to use HTTPS, you need to command the HTTP. For me, I would like to use the HTTPS. Okay, and then we need to change the bootstrap configuration file. Before we change it, we need to keep the old one. Okay, we will set the Java memory. 1G is so less. I will use the minimize. 4G, the max is 8G. So this is change. And we also need to change the NIFI environment 70. Why I need to change it? Because I have multiple Java version, and I also don't need to set the NIFI home as my system environment. So I do it. Before we do it, we also need to keep the old one. Edit. So we will do it. Replace it. And then we will replace the NIFI CMD file. Okay, we will replace our this is the main change. Set Java home and NIFI home. Okay. After we change it, we will start it. So you can't use the run as administrator to start this NIFI servers because you need to use the cmd start. So it will open the new screen, new windows, and it will show the NIFI bootstrap log, and in there you will see the log. This is the main log. It will record all configuration and operation. So NIFI bootstrap log, and you also have the NIFI user log. When you log in the NIFI, so it will record which user and when, and this information, and the NIFI request log. So we will use this one. We want to change because this start need more times, so we need to wait, and we will see this log. So this means, and we will see running. After see this running, so you can open there, and we have HTTPS local host 8443. Why 8843? It's in there. It depends on your bin. I will open another window. So you will see there. No, this configuration. No, this property configuration. Localhost. Yeah, this one. This is your port. So we will see running, and we need to wait. And we will see which. This is Java. This is the platform. It uses Java. So the NIFI in there. Because I added the path, the command in there, and we will see it. It need more time. Why it start so slowly? Because my C hard is so less. If you have more memory in your C disk, so it will start quickly. Reload. Oh, okay, we can log in. It's okay now. So wait. It may be okay now. So okay, it's okay now because I use the HTTPS and it's a safety connection. So I need to username and password. So we will find our initial username and password. And in your username and password in the NIFI app log. So I will keep and I will use this name as my username. I will input my password and login. Oh, congratulations! You enter your NIFI home screen. You will drag some processor and group and the port and the USA, your users and help. Wow. Okay, it's end. In the next topic, if I want to stop this server, so I will use NIFI stop. Okay. And in the next topic, I will guide you how to use the NSSM tool to register NIFI as Windows servers. So why I needed to do this? Because I didn't want to start this server manually, and I also don't to want it to show another Windows, open another Windows. Okay, see you in next topic.